Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to give access of our Facebook ad account from Facebook Business Manager, right? It is super easy. As you can see, I am into my Facebook account and I have already switched into my Facebook page. If you have not, then you can click on the top right icon and you can simply switch up to your Facebook page. Now we will click on our Facebook page name. This is our Facebook page profile page, right? Now you need to click on Meta Business Suite. Here you will get an option of settings. You can simply click on the settings. Okay, so here in the user section, in the people, we will click on invite people. Here we need to enter the email ID of person whom we want to give access of our ad account. Okay, so I have entered the email ID and I will click on next. In the view advanced option, I will click on manage. Next, here I will select the ad account. Okay, full control. Next, and now when I will click onto the invite with one asset, that particular ad account access will be given to that person. He will receive an email of accepting the invitation, and as soon as he clicks on the accept invitation button in that email, he will get the access of our ad account, right? If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, kindly check the video description. We have mentioned our website's link over there. You can simply visit our website, explore our course and purchase directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.